isn't going to be too much in this video because I've sort of done a lot of stuff without filming it. I've basically went ahead and got the engine back in the van, got it running up again, and I've now found a new oil leak, which is quite bad. It's sort of dripping every sort of like 30 seconds or something. So I'm now going to do, I have a feeling it's coming from the oil filter housing, where like the whole filter housing bolts to the back of the engine. I've just taken the starter motor out, which is right underneath that, so I can see above it, and yeah, it's leaking from there. So I'm going to pull that off. I don't know if there's like any sort of gasket there at all, but I'm going to pull it off. If there's no gasket, I'm going to put a bit of RTV around there. Hopefully that seals it. If that seals, then we'll be good. There'll be no oil leaks, and the next thing to do then will be finish off the brake pipes, go and get the seal welded up, and then wrap it with some new wheels. But it's just this one last oil leak that's doing my head in. So I'm now gonna go ahead and get the filter housing off, and you'll see this video. You'll see that video after these next clips.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Pretty cool to see it with an engine in again. Right, so the engine is in. Well, it's just like hanging in at the moment. Got to put the engine mount on and the gearbox mount on, and then that'll be the engine in. And oh my god, it's been out of the van for like, I don't know, about 6 months I think. So that's pretty cool. Right guys, so the engine is in. It's hanging there by the crane. But what I'm doing now is I'm just going ahead and wire wheeling down all the engine mount and gearbox mount bolts, because they're all rusty like that. So just going ahead, wire wheeling them down, and then we'll get it bolted in. These are all nice and shiny, so we'll go ahead and put the engine in.
Holding all of it closely, I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance, not the life I want to live. I want to take it all, standing tall, fear I've weighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Well, hey, engine is bolted in, so we can take the crane off now, and then I've got a new mount for down here. Are we ready? Here we go. Come on. Hey! Look at that! Sweet! Sick! That's awesome. No way. That's sick. It's running.